know that toilet paper that's got like 6 layers of like different toilet paper on each sheet? You flush water that shit down the toilet, you flood the entire state of Missouri. Just Missouri. Doesn't matter how far away from Missouri you are. You could be in orbit around Pluto. Which, by the way, how the fuck is Pluto not a planet? It's been a planet for years. And the guy you're up there with is like, Ted, you idiot. If you flush that, you'll flood the entire state of Missouri. And he's like, and you're like, first of all, I'm not Ted. My name is not Ted. I'm Steve. And then it's like, and second of all, I'm not gonna flood Missouri. There's not enough water to flood Missouri in this entire ship. You know, the water freezes when it exits the ship, and everything in that block of ice is incinerated upon entering Earth's atmosphere. There is no other path to Missouri. And given our coordinates, even if it makes it to Earth, it's not going to go to Missouri. So you flush it down the toilet, and 5 minutes later you get a message from ground control, and ground control's like, Ted, you fucking idiot, you flooded Missouri. And you're like, my name is not Ted. I am Steve. My name is fucking Steve. I did not flood Missouri. How the fuck did I flood Missouri? Did I flood Missouri? Oh my god, I flooded Missouri. Fuck. Holy fucking shit, I flooded fucking Missouri.